Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kekong Christina Mukhim bat ke Kaikha Saprina ha kekhat nyo terik ubnai rempang arjar arpuar kila kentaj war halor ka jingkeno baki don kti ban Knieh Jaka ha kasnong Pilangkata bat ha kasnong Abri da ka ba ongru baka jingsha keno jongki kalong ka bomdon nong rim hae ru bat kamru baki don nyki kot kisla bat ki dolir ke babiang Haka jing ekren bat kilat patai kubor haka snong Abri ka kong Christina Mukhim kala ong bakum ka longkmi khasi ka dap da ka jing smokia halor ka jing keno jong ka seremina marak bakamla ban the Jaka haka te ka snong bat bo usim jong ka rai marwet ula penmi de ka jing tho baki barjela kimla ban the Jaka haka te ka snong halor ka jing keno persya ya ka Kaikha Saprina baka don kti ban Knieh jubor ya ka Jaka haka snong Pilangkata Kala pensyai baya ka Jaka la dep desh ka kong Christina Mukhim. Bat ka jo ka por kala pensyai ba kamsim la Knieh jubor ya ka Jaka. Bat ka day tang ka jingkeno bean jong ka ar martha. Bat ki wei bat ba ka tay ka Jaka. Ka day ka Jaka jong ka badanru ki kot kisla ki babiang. Ka ba kala dep banthit na ka wei ka brew. Ya ka badatip kerteng kum ka lila rai.
Nga ka kong Christina Mukhim. Ka basyong basa hapo snong kasikiling. Te ngawan menta kasngi ban pensyai halor katuka kubor ka bala mi hakini kismi ki bala dep ba kala syak keno hakatuka kubor ba ngala kni bat ne la Knieh jurbor ya ka Jaka ka badon hang ne hapo upper jorbil ane mo ka Jaka but ya hakatuk halor katuka jing keno jengki nga long ngasnyu si hadu kata na markum ka nongchong snong hapo hang ne khasi kiling ngatip ba ngang klem Knieh ya ketuka Jaka bat ketuka Jaka kade ka Jaka ka badon hapo upper jorbil area but ngala thit ro da ka ba ka snong katip bah da ka ba shai ba ngala thit lut ya ka ha long lengba ka rule and regulation ma jong ka snong man kamte ngathit na ka kong na I kong Kaikha Saprina I have purchased it from you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Te ngal atit na but iro hakapor ba dia nga nia dia tit hapo ka snong. Lengba rengkat lembat ki executive member lengba ka jingtip jong ka snong. But kala hand over lut ki dokumen jong ka bar khoi hanga hoi ki don lut hang ne ki dokumen bakala hand over damar ka Jaka kamde ka Jaka ka balaj hndre ka de ka Jaka bar register.
Siapa dekau?
Kade ka Jaka ka bala dep register na du Shwa ba in tit na ita ikong bayaman Mukhim kat kum ka jingtip jonga namar ila submit lut ka dokumen hanga mo te ka Jaka ka bala dep register na lor kata kum ka Kaikha ru ka batit na ka kong bayaman Mukhim maka ru kala yo ya ka pata bat kala yo ru ya ki NOC na po snong bat ki sales dit barok hoy te ndi banga shutit ya ka Jaka ndre nga da pek ya ki kot kisla jongka habang ayu iki kot kisla ki biang hoy lada ngai itnat ya ka Jaka ngan tit kum ka try snong bele ngam don hok seban tit namar ki hatu ka kubor ki pen pau banga ngam de ka jai khasi lene ngam de ka jai garu ki ong ba nga ngam la ban tit Jaka ya kane ka Jaka ka badon hang ne upper jorbil bale ngam la ban tit wat ka snong ka klem dabi ya nga lane na ka office jong usim ru ki klem dabi ya nga ba nga ngam la ban tit namar sabang ngade ka jantia ngade ka Christina Mukhim hitip bahat rai Mukhim ki de ki jantia ma te lada kini ki briu ki ba penmi khubor ki ong bangam don hok ban tit te hakno ka dur king hakno ka nong rim king ngasngiu bakam don nong rim ka jingkren jong kita ka long baseless ka long meaningless namar bale ki kim ngatip ha ngam itu ya ki tu ki briu ki ba penmi news ro against ka kerteng jonga ngam itu iki wat tharai hasnong ro kim don kerteng ha register snong ro ha ka all killing area tharai kim don kerteng te ki shuwan ban shim ya kerteng jonga bat nalor kata ro om tang baki penbot nam ya ka kerteng jonga henry ki keno ro ya ka seng MPSO hoi nga ngade na ka MPSO ngade kum ka president jong ka northern zone henry tharai hadu hangne hasnong killing ro bat hakane ka area killing ro kitip bah ya kane ka meter jong kane ka Jaka hadu mentangi ngim syam pendon kam Ya kata ka kumdongan ong ya kata ka NGO mah ngaklem pendon kami kata ka MPSO ya ka NGO ka bangadon ni klem pat interfere hang no ru halor kata ka jing tunno jungki ya ka MPSO bangi ni interfere nga ya kata ru ngan saperkhat bha ba kumno ngin ya syakmat namar beli ban supen pot nam ya ka MPSO kata Kim Don Hok namar sabaki Kim Don kita ke proof on which basis ki ong bangi ngi yarap kata ka MPSO ka yarap ya kata ka Kaikha lani ya ka Christina Mukhim andre nga snyusi bha namar ka jing tunno jungki halor ka bomdon nong rim but sakawe ngan ong yefi halor ka ne ka Jaka bangala thit na ka Kaikha Saprina bun sin wat usim ro wat ka shnong ro kila I warning ya kini ki briu ki ba shong be an ha ka Jaka junga kum povitro sangma but u Jamester moment but dang don ro ki ba ya shong lang hang tu de nalor kata ba u ka shnong kala I warning ya ki ba kin mi no kim ko ngu ki long ki briu ki ba satar hadu kata nalor kata de ngala I show usim ya ka complain but usim ro ula dep I ya ka full and final complaint kane tadi kata usim ula ai ya kane ula ai last and final warning to peacefully vacate the land encroached and illegally occupied by you means by Povitro Sangma Jamester Momin but associate ma so halor kane ko order haba usim ula ai ya ki kataru kim ko ngu but kim buram ya kata ka office jong usim te halor kata ngan le kumno ma namar nga ngam di kata ka briu ka bakwa ban yasho ya dat ban penmis nam ban wanra kata ka ke jing snusi na kata ka daw nga ngam ban se haba kim ko ngu ya ka office jong usim kim ko ngu ya ka shnong ngam ban se nga approach ya ka angin ngali shapo police station hapo khana para bat ngala file ya ka FIR but ka FIR junga la de register hapo court ro mentah kadang yat hapo court haba kadang yat hapo court nga kun ka try Jaka nga ko ngu iki baka an ka hukum yangi bangim de ban don kano ka jing yes ngusi hapdeng jongi ma hapdeng jonga bat kitu ki briu ki ba kambe an ya ka Jaka jonga te tangkum tahi na ka liang jonga ka try Jaka ngala wan ban pensyai ya kata ka Jaka na marbale nga nganum ailat hi dalele lada kitu ki briu ki bakeno ya nga kim don full evidence kim dai hok na du menta kasngi nga ong yaki nga kerpat yaki ba kim dai hok shu ban penbot nam lene ban penmi khubor claim da don kita ki evidence ki full evidence na ka shnong but na ka office jong usim right na marka shnong ro ka don rokat lembat ngi ka upper jorbil secretary ro don rokat lembat ngi de ki tip ya ka shephang ka ne ka Jaka.
I am Kaikha Saprina. In the recent days, I have come to see from the YouTube a certain person called Mrs. Martha, supported by a lady called Rinkumuni, Elias Nanda, and some few other people. They have tried to encroach my land in 2 places. Okay. So, the first one is at Pilangkata. I have bought the land at Pilangkata from a person called Lila Rai of Yongkuli village, Right Marwait, Million Shimship, Riboy district, Meghalaya. And the land which I purchased, I have started developing it. Prior to my development, there was no disturbance. But when I started the development, till yesterday, they have disturbed me. They have stopped my workers. They have threatened my workers. And they have told to the police, I think they have also put an FIR against me, of which they have no evidence. If media is interested, if the people of Meghalaya is interested, if the local people are interested, dig out the truth and see where is their evidence. This Mrs. Martha and associate, they have made their GPS map for that land they have purchased from Pilangkata village council. It was previously known as Pilangkata Forest Reserve, and they have purchased it and made a GPS. So my land is outside the GPS, their map, outside the map, and my land is between their land and PWD. Their land does not touch the road, but my land is between their map, between their land and the road. So here, where is the evidence, Mrs. Martha? Show your evidence. Don't threaten me. And a certain lady called Grinchy Momin, she came with her mother and her 8 Nanda. Where is your evidence? Your father used to be very good relationship with me. Your father used to work for me. But that land was not purchased by your mother or your father. That was purchased by me. Okay? So without evidence, don't try to disturb me. Now, my land at Upper Jorbil, Kilin, Red Marwhite, CMship, Riboy District, Meghalaya. I purchased it from a lady called Bayamon Mukhim. Now, that land was already registered by Bayamon Mukhim. And where is the evidence, you people who are claiming that I have given you the land? Where is your evidence? You are showing a piece of paper. Where is the evidence? That is not a sufficient support. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you, I have not given my land to anyone free. And the village of Upper Jorbil knows very well. And I have been living in this place, and I know the indigenous people's right of this place, and I know some practices, the norms and rules of this place, violation of which I never do. Now, if suppose if anybody have given the land to you free, you cannot take it free without the knowledge of the Darbar Shnon, without the NOC of the village. Get it? And without the proper documents of the village, because you cannot get it without any proper documents. And another one is without getting the proper documents from the Right Marwhite CNship office. Can you get it? This is just a nuisance created by some greedy people who wanted to do all these disturbances, not by me, but by those people who have made the YouTube some few days ago. Yes. I have taken the full NOC certified by the Rambashnon. When I told them that there are some people staying on my land, forcibly encroaching illegally, they told me they don't know who is Pobitro Sanma. He is not a member of the village Upper Jorbil Kilin. And they also have told me Jainster Momin. He is also not a member of Upper Jorbil Kilin. And some few associates. They are all not known to the village. Now, the village have already given me as an NOC saying that whatever, as a legal owner of the land, whatever I want to do, whatever action I will take up, they have given me the full right as a legal owner of the land. Now, having my full right as a legal owner of the land, I have sold it off to Mrs. Christina Mukhim.
तो पहले पर था तो जो जमीन लेता था तो कायका नहीं लेता था, तो हम लोग पहले बार में हम सेक्रेटरी भी नहीं बनता था। उस टाइम यहाँ में डैम था, काइखा में भी एक डैम था। तो हम लोग काम कर रहा था, तो हाजिरा करके देखा हुआ था, लेकिन काइखा मैडम ने ये तो रास्ता भी ज़मीन भी ले लिया। तो फिर अभी सब ज़मीन भी ले लिया लोग। हाँ, तो उस टाइम में हम लोग करके देखा हुआ है, तो कौन सा उसका ज़मीन नहीं है बोल के बोलता है, कौन सा उसको फ्री में देता है बोलता है। अगर हम लोग मिलने से तो हम लोग को फ्री में लेता था, देखे कि नहीं? हाँ, वो उसी का मालिक है, वो खरीदता है, उसी का होने पड़ेगा। हम लोग का किसी का ये नहीं है। अगर हम मिलने से तो अगर हम घरों है ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। दूसरा का जमीन छीनेगा तो, दूसरा का अगर खेती छीनेगा तो होगा नहीं क्या? नहीं होगा ना। इसलिए हम लोग बात करता है। अभी तक भी मैडम का साथ में हम लोग जिस दिन हम लोग अभी अपर जोन में रहता है वो भी हम लोग का शामिल करता है। तो अभी पहले में तो वो अब्री देश में ये करता है, लेकिन वो तो हम लोग वो मालूम नहीं। लेकिन अभी तक भी हम लोग मैडम साथ में रहता है, तो हम लोग उसी का माटी तो माटी रहने पड़ेगा उसी का। दूसरा का होना नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि हम लोग पे समझदार है ना, समझदार है। तो इसीलिए हम लोग दूसरा का मत छीनेगा, आप नहीं छीनेगा ना, दखल नहीं करेगा ना। इसलिए हम लोग पे ना सब समझ के हम लोग आराम से बोलते। काइखा अभी तक अभी तो डायमंड का साथ में अभी डायमंड मुखिम के साथ में बिक्री कर दिया।